If you work in a medium-sized or large organization, how do people within your organization describe what it is your organization does to the rest of the world? If everyone says something a little bit differently, chances are you have a problem. Now, I work with a lot of national trade organizations, professional interest groups, some based in Washington, D.C., New York, other places, and it always amazes me how organizations will spend fortunes, fancy headquarters, fancy offices, conventions with every kind of catering, lots of money for marketing brochures, sometimes focus research, but they never actually stop to figure out, how do we want our people to tell the rest of the world in 30 seconds who we are and what we do? How do we want people in 10, 20, 30 seconds to explain what our mission is? How do we explain to people how we help anyone in the world? These are fundamental core issues that if you want to be an organization that's really going to have an impact, people need to not be on the same page word for word and memorize something, but conceptually, thematically, substantively, they need to be saying the same thing. So my recommendation is spend some time. It doesn't have to be with me, but find some communications consultant, come in and do a brainstorming session, figure out every possible thing you could say and narrow it down to your top messages and come up with some agreement. Because if everyone's saying something different about who you are, nobody's going to know who you are and what you stand for. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people and organizations how to communicate effectively. If you'd like to improve your own presentation skills, go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. I'll send you a couple of my books at no extra charge, plus give you information about our online courses and live public workshops.